everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I took my client's nails from this to this beautiful tortoiseshell design mani. These are my client's natural nails and we grew them out by doing extra strength gel manis on her, or structured manis if you will. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that and also how I do my tortoiseshell design. So let's get into it. Starting off, I've done all my prep work, so I've done her cuticles, I've shaped and etched the nail plate, and here I am going in with step 1 and step 2 from Apres. So this is the bonder and the primer, and I just go through real quickly with that and do all 10 just on her natural nail. We were doing a fill of a structured mani on this one, so only a little bit of her nail is showing. But yeah, go through and do that on all 10. I'll see you guys back when we get to the good part.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool?
Okay, now here we are going in with our soft builder gel. This is from Apres. I really like this builder gel just because it's not super runny, so it doesn't, leak everywhere while you're trying to work. But for starters, I will go in with my slip layer, so just a thin layer, and this is just to show the gel where to go. So go in with your slip layer, and then I go in with a nice big dollop of that product, and I am pushing it back towards her cuticle, if you can see, and then doing this swooping U motion all the way to the tip. And you want to use a really light hand when you're doing this, and then I always go back and correct the line of light with my brush, just softly dragging that product where you want it to go until it looks like a nice apex and the structure is perfecto. And then I flash cure it with my little pink light from Apres, and I will do this to all 10, so I'll speed through this part so you guys can see me doing it, but I do each fingernail and then I flash cure for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then I put the whole hand in the light for another 60 seconds at the end.
I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Okay, now I'm going in with alcohol and a lint-free pad, and I'm just wiping off that tacky layer off that gel. And then after this, I will be using a 5-in-1 bit from Amazon. You'll see it come up in just a second, but it is the 5-in-1 bit, Pana bit from Amazon, and it is the soft grit bit, so less coarse. What's it called when it's not coarse? It's, as you can see, it's very soft. And then I will go in as a final touch. I always do this to smooth out all my structured gel manis or my fills on a prey. Just because if you don't do this final touch-up part, once you put the polish on, it can look very lumpy and just uneven and overall just not pretty. So I do this, and I also do this to seal the cuticle area, which will help with lifting in the end. So yeah, I'm going to go through it and do that to all 10, and I will see you guys back here again.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
After I'm done with this, I will have my clients wash their hands just to get all the dust off, and then I will cleanse with alcohol, and then here I am, we're going in with our design. So I'm doing this rubber base coat from the gel bottle. I don't really know if this step is super necessary, but I like to do it just to give that final bit of smoothness and really make the outcome really smooth and beautiful. So I go in one coat with the rubber base, and I'll do that to all 10, of course, and I'll see you guys back here when we get to the design.
I'm not angry anymore.
Okay, here we are going in with our colors. So this first color, I believe this is Espresso Martini from the gel bottle. This is just going on her pointer fingers. So we're doing a mix, a little mix and match set. So she's gonna have a nude, black, and then tortoiseshell design. One's gonna be full tortoiseshell, and the other one is going to be like a split between the nude and the tortoiseshell. So I'll go in and apply 2 coats of each of these colors, and then I will obviously do my tortoiseshell design, which I will explain to you guys when we get to it.
A little bit let down, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Little bit let down, let down.
Okay, here I am going in with the Espresso Martini on half of the ring finger. So this is the nail that we're doing the split design on. Half is going to be that nude shade, and then half is going to be tortoiseshell. For our tortoiseshell design, we are first doing 1 coat of this glass yellow shade from the gel bottle. If you're interested in creating this tortoiseshell design, the gel bottle actually sells a kit. It's really awesome. It comes with all the shades that you need, plus the blooming gel, which you will also need. So it comes with this glass yellow, it comes with a brown shade that you'll see me use later, and then it comes with black and the blooming gel. And I'll use all these shades in this video so you can see how they work. But yeah, going in with one coat of that, and then her thumb will also be a full tortoiseshell design as well. Here we are going in with coat number 2 of each of these colors, except for the tortoiseshell design. So the nude and the black will get their second coat, and then we'll do the next step in the tortoiseshell design. So for the tortoiseshell, I'm then going over top of the glass yellow with this clear blooming gel. And then do not cure that blooming gel. Leave it wet for now. And then we'll go in with this brown color from the gel bottle. You'll see me here in a second. I use the brown color from the gel bottle, and then I use a little striping brush. You can use a dotting tool, whatever works best for you. And then I will go in and make these sort of like, it's very messy. They're kind of just like splotchy and sort of messy. This is like an animal print design, so you can kind of do your own thing. So you'll see me here. It's hard to explain, but basically just dotting little globs of that chocolate brown color into the blooming gel, and then the blooming gel will kind of do the rest of the work for you. So keep them kind of farther apart so that they have space to bloom out, and it'll make this really pretty tortoiseshell design. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do the rest of this, and then we'll be back once these are cured. Okay, and now we go in over top of that cured tortoiseshell design with another coat of glass yellow. And without curing that, yet again, we will add our final detail with the black shade in the kit. So with the black, it's almost kind of the same idea. I just do smaller dots within the brown dots that we made. So this just kind of adds an extra hint of detail and depth to this design, and I really love the way it turns out in the end. But yeah, very easy, very adorable for the fall time. And if you are a new nail tech looking to get into some art, definitely learn this design. It's super easy and so cute, and your clients will love it. And for the final touch on this design, I'm going down the split on the ring finger with a gold shade. This is rose gold from the gel bottle, and it's absolutely stunning. And of course my camera died before I could finish filming this set, but the last thing that I did was just top coat her, and that's it. They turned out so beautiful, and I'm absolutely in love with them. So here are our final reveal shots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, please help me out by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button if you would like to see more I upload weekly nail vids. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!